So, you got poop? That's the wrong time for you to poop, Casey.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
I pooped.
Come on, hurry up. No. I'll take you somewhere else. You can't poop in the
Warning,
bathroom.
carbon monoxide.
You gotta leave.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Got it. Got it.
Come on, let's go. So, me and KK is sitting in the car. Wanna know why? Why are we sitting in the car, Casey?
Cause I don't know.
What's going on? What's going on in the house?
The alarm going off.
The alarm going off?
Uh-huh.
So, we can't be in the house when the alarm go off, right? Stop.
I see it over here.
So, not the smoke alarm, but the O2 alarm, you know, carving out. So I was on the phone with my sister, and my bedroom door is closed, and I'm like, Kwani, hold that, wait. I was like, Kwani, be quiet for a second. And she's like, what? I'm like, there's an alarm going off. She's like, I hear it. So I was like, what alarm is that? Right? So she was like, girl, call the police. So I called the rental agency. I should have probably called the paramedics first. I guess the fire department. I probably should have called the fire department instead of calling them, because they taking forever. Like, what if I was still in my house? So I called them. They was like, is you cooking? No, I'm not cooking. I had the heat on because it's cold.
Yes. Oh. I'm freezing.
We're still outside waiting for somebody to show up because, as I told y'all, the carbon dioxide alarm is going off. And I'm like, I'm not saying in there. Say, what's up? And I just let y'all see Casey because, you know. Stop, little boy. I don't know if I want to have the heat on or have air on. Like, being by the sun is making me hot. Stop.
That's better.
And then I come out here, right? I call my son father because no matter what happens and we speak, and I always tell him. And I was like, oh, I guess they called 911, but...
The first thing Mama wants you to do is trust one of their letters. Go ahead.
His name is Micah.
Micah!
There we go. Good job.
No, what? Homeboy, right? Huh? Micah. That's your homie, right?
No.
He not your homie? What is he doing?
Just Micah.
His name is Micah.
There's only Micah.
So I wonder. Cause I'm going out Towson.
No, it's Autumn turn.
You wanna see Autumn?
Uh-huh. It's Autumn next.
Alright, we're gonna go see Autumn.
No. What? I forgot my toy.
It's okay.
What did you
Huh?
get lost?
What's gonna get lost?
My toy.
It's not.
No, my pen toy.
Mm-mm.
No, my ball lost.
Mm-mm.
No, my ball got lost. No, my ball lost. Not my ball lost.
It's almost time for dinner, game. You right?
What is art?
Why?
Because you said I'm not going to go to the playground.
You ever been to the playground, Kayson? And y'all might be like, oh, you didn't take your hair out. You didn't take your hair out. Well, today is my baby niece's birthday. She just turned 1, so she's the youngest out of everybody. But her birthday party is tomorrow. So I was just like, I will take this out tomorrow. And then I had one. It was probably this one. It had like a whole bunch of whiteness to it. So I was just like, well, let me just hit it with some water and, wash it out, rinse it out just a little bit. So, yeah. So tomorrow you guys will see my hair out. Yo, it is so cold outside. And I was telling y'all how I was in the house and I'm on the phone with my older sister, right? And we talking and we on the phone for a good like 15 minutes. And then all of a sudden, the alarm go, like I hear a beeping, right? So I'm like, shh. I'm like, Kwani, shh. I'm like, don't say nothing. Right? So she was like, what? I'm like, I hear an alarm. So I walked closer to the alarm. She said, this is how my older sister was. That sound like a carbon monoxide one. She was like, get out the house and call 911. Like, she didn't even let me say, oh yeah, it is. But she was like, that's what it sounds like. You need to get out the house and call 911. Big sister, I love you. Thank you. Because that's what I did. But Kayson had to pee, and I was like, I was gonna let him pee or whatever. So I let Casey pee, and we came back. We came directly outside. Hey, why would you run across the street? Dummy. So yeah, I don't know. Like, so they had to cut my heat off because they was like my heater, like my furnace is old, so the furnace got to be replaced, right? And which they said they was going to replace it on Monday. So today is Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That's 2 days without no heat. So, and I'm like, I'm not going to nobody else's house. I pay rent where I live at to be here and be here comfortably. So they supposed to have been bringing me some heaters back, but I haven't been back in the house. So we'll see. Girl, you just said you was gonna take it out. What I need to do is cut my my aunt's case. I just let him pee in my damn juice bottle, my water bottle, and I ain't got no water. Cause I let you pee in the bottle. Drink what? In the bottle. Drink what? No. No. No.
Why?
Cause that's disgusting. No, pee is pee. Pee can never turn into water. Pee is pee. He was saying turn it to water. Oh, they got a camera right here too. Oh no, son, y'all not slick.
I saw a pumpkin with no decorations.
You seen a pumpkin with no decorations? Okay. Yo. So I want to tell you, I've been one day without any cornstarch. I'm not really gonna keep count of it, but just say one day, no cornstarch, right? Say one day, no cornstarch, what? One day, no cornstarch, what? And then later on today, I'm going to actually wrap my belly again. I think like wrapping my belly and eating cornstarch is not helping because when I eat cornstarch, I can't really like suck my belly in. So I gotta be able to suck it in. So yeah, I'm about to go to where am I going at? I gotta go to Rite Aid and get my prescriptions.
What about Autumn?
Boy, I'm not gonna see Autumn.
But I do.
For what?
Because her my friend.
So y'all gonna be fighting and you gonna be crying?
No.
I need to wash my hair. Huh? You hungry?
Yes.
Oh, that sounds like a PP to me. Because when I asked you, was you hungry in the house, and I fed you, cooked you food and everything, what you told me, Mommy, I'm not hungry. Well, what?
Well, it's not too late.
It's too late because the food that's in the house, I threw it away.
Well,
So-
there's more in the freezer.
Uh-huh.
Trash.
And y'all probably like, why I got my tongue out like that? Why I got my tongue out like that? But my lip rip. My lip rip. My lip split. And it's split because because I don't be putting Blistex on my lips like that. And when I don't put Blistex on, my lips be like, we're gonna chat today. We're gonna chat, and it hurts whenever it happens. And it's just in the one corner.
What I could choose if we're boys, see?
Come on, Kay, we gotta go get my medicine. Come on. I'll let you play in a minute. Come on.
No. I'm not gonna hold
Put it back.
I'm going to put it back. Mommy, put this back.
Give me your hand.
This not goes.
Huh?
This not goes.
Come on, you gotta walk a little bit. Come on. Oh, what?
You go sit down.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna beat him up, y'all. Don't rip it.
It's
It's
getting I'm gonna start about.
Excuse me.
It's getting low.
It's getting long.
Yes. Let's go. Let's
Don't pull it.
over. Oh, it's going down the bottom. Look. Oh, it's not over.
Look, your feet.
Mom,
Come here.
Candy. Oh, I used to speak. This don't matter. Mommy, this don't matter. Candy, please.
Come on, you want one of those?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that was my count.
No?
You said no?
Come.
Come on, watch out. Beep, beep, beep.
It's gorgeous. No, that's
What's that? Come on, you gotta keep walking.
Go about how?
Come on.
Something belongs in it.
Something belongs in there?
It looks like
I'm
this.
leaving you. Goodbye. Darling.
I'm not a girl.
I know you're not a girl. You're a boy. You're my son. I know what you are. I created you.
What?
Huh?
Birth? 1995. What birth?
Yes, from birth. From in the womb, honey. Oh, I'm about to say it's not in here.
Not in here?
It's in here. Oh my goodness, y'all.
You heard that? Right?
Here, what? You crack your nails. Your fingers.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But don't crack.
But they didn't crack?
Uh-huh.
Oh, thank you.
I just cracked my hand and look like this.
You did? Only big boys can do that. Only big boys can do that because you're a big boy.
And small boys can't do that either.
Right.
That's it, small boys.
Thank you. What sauce can you give me to, you know what? Y'all like a pack of like barbecue sauce for his chicken so you can dip it in? Thank you. Thank you.
I have my sauce.
Hold on, wait. I'm going to pull over.
Pull over?
Yeah, you want to wait till you get home and eat?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
I pull over.
Huh?
I pull over.
I'm not pulling over. I go home. We'll go home?
But I don't have my food.
Your food right here.
I have my sauce and my chicken food. I can eat it cold. And my chicken.
It's hot though.
I can eat it while it's hot. I
Ooh.
can eat it while it's hot. What's wrong?
Nothing.
It's hot.
Mhm.
Can I have it? Can I have it while it's hot? I want to have it while it's hot. Can I have it while it's hot? Give me the sauce. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And it's going to taste black.
It's gonna taste who? Sam, why are you driving without your seatbelt on? I need to get you some more nuggets.
More nuggets? Why?
Cause you don't have no nuggets in the house.
I don't.
Nope. I need to try and make it. Popeye's chicken in the house.
They ate a bone?
Who?
I did.
You ate a bone?
Yes.
You're not supposed to eat a bone.
Look at this.
Hold up, I can't look at you drive.
You can look on the camera without. You have a camera.
No, that's called a mirror.
You have a mirror.
Lord have mercy, Jesus. It is in my tooth. Whew. Sam.
That's money.
Not Kay, I said sin. I was talking to myself. This pain is unbearable. I can't wait till next month to get this damn thing ripped out my mouth. Right. I always wipe my hands on my clothes. As long as I'm biting on the right side, I'm good.
You good?
Y'all see Kayson?
You're almost there.
We almost home, yes. Oh, we like probably like 10 minutes away from home. But I want to go to the Family Dollar store and get, oh my God, y'all. Ooh. Lord have mercy. water on my floor. Wait a second. I gotta get the water. That's the only thing that's gonna help it. I gotta gargle the water in my mouth and hopefully get whatever is stuck in my tooth out. You know, and a lot of people are like, oh, Sen, post a cornstarch video. Do some chunks. I don't know. They hurt, y'all. They hurt.
You can say it.
Huh? That better not be a pee bottle. I think it's a pee bottle away. His what? Pee bottle. We was outside and I didn't want to actually let him pee on the ground, so I let him pee in a water bottle. You done? You want another piece?
Hey. Just.
That's a bone.
Yeah.
How about one? I gotta find you some ducks, but I'm gonna have to find you some ducks so you can feed them. I don't know where they at. I don't know where they hiding that duck.
Hiding ducks?
Yep, they hiding.
They're hiding like.
They hiding because they don't want you to find them.
Don't want me to find them?
Right.
What?
Yeah. The best part is the skin. So crunchy. And when I was young and I didn't know no better, I was like, KFC is the best. KFC is the best. Popeyes. They better have.
When I was big, I turned small like a baby.
You used to turn small like a baby? But you're still a baby. You heard me? You said.
I'm a baby with toys.
But
a lot of ones.
I mean, you got enough toys. I need to look at some old videos.